up? Hello. Welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are unboxing Simply Earth, which is a monthly subscription oil box. So it sells different things like oils, candle wax, containers for those oils or perfumes or whatever you would try to make. It's kind of like a kit box, but with essential oils. And one of the things that kind of grabbed me about this was the fact that they donate 13% of all their profits to human trafficking. So, to help stop that. And that is a big thing that's going on. So already I'm kind of a believer. Okay, so to show like a few of those things off, first of all, this is actually a really well packed box, especially for its price. So right now we have the beeswax. You can use this to make candles. And the good thing is that if you can read it, it says that it's 100% good for 100% sulfate free, and it's good for skin. So you can actually make a candle with it, and then also make an oil with it, or put it in some lotion or anything like that. Coconut oil. This is the unrefined coconut oil. And this is actually a really heavy jar. It's 12 ounces, which is something you can find just about anywhere, but it's hard to find as much as you probably would need. And this is the carrier oil, coconut oil, which is refined. They actually give you a lot of oil for what you buy. Almond oil, another carrier oil. Well, really, you can use just about any oil as a carrier oil, like the jojoba oil, or argan oil, tea tree oil, really just about anything. And they give you a whole bunch of jars. Hopefully you can see it. Now, these are roll-on jars, and some of these are just like simply just regular oil jars to hold little oils in. If I'm right, I think these are about a third of an ounce, and a third of an ounce to an ounce is the regular size for oil. So if you're making oil to put in a candle, or oil to put in like a candle warmer or any form of warmer or vaporizer, this is what you will put those uses for. You have the roll-on containers also, and then it is the bonus box, the bonus recipe box that he gives you, which has this has sea clay in it. So for those of you who don't know, sea clay is actually used in helping to make a face mask. The perfume jars, these are actually very sweet. Another one. And there's the sticker. The stickers, I guess, just to label the containers for yourself. And also like directions and a ingredient list. A recipe list. And this is how you make the mud mask, the recipe. And detox scrub. There's actually a pretty good amount of recipes in here. I think there are like probably 6 different recipes, which is good and helpful because there are a lot of people who don't know how to make this, and they will just end up mixing the entire box together. I am unfortunately one of those people. Don't judge me. And this has the oils in it. So I didn't pick up these oils. almost fell. The first one is geranium, which is a unique smell. I don't prefer it, but it's very nice. Another one is lava, which is actually very pretty. Sorry, I didn't show the geranium. Happy Joy, which I've also smelled and I actually really do like. And the last one is basil, which is very common to buy. But also I do like the smell. It's a really fresh smell. And each of these jars are about 15 milliliters, which is half an ounce, I believe. And all of these are organic and locally and ethically sourced ingredients. So they're all really good for you. And again, I do want to stress the fact of other 13% of what they make goes to human trafficking. To prevent human trafficking, sorry. So, I believe that for your money, you actually do get a lot, and it also goes to a good cause. So, I do recommend this box, and I'll be back to show you what I have made with them on a later video. So, thank you. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Wear a mask. And I'll be back with another video.